Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Jaka Treikam Pura jong Barato Police Outpost laple patba haka khandai trek u jemang araja apunrio da usumbod Menteri Rangba Gajala ubadeiru u in charge Home Police uba Preston Tensong haka jingedan ringkat lang usumbod Menteri Rangba Gajala uba asneo bhalang dhar u MLA Kamokayau uba nujor ki sungo bat ka Director General of Police ka kong Ida Shisha Nongrang IPS u Superintendent of Police u Jakpal Singh Dhanwa IPS u Deputy Commissioner u Abhinav Kumar Singh u IAS. Haga jingple patba ya ka jingtei jong ka Barato Outpost u sembut Menteri Rangba Gajala uba Preston Tensong. U loong bakani ka Outpost mentak ladon ya ka Jaka Treikam ka Pura bat penpau ka jinget ka baskem bakani ka Jaka thamai kan penklan ya ka kampulit bat kan kentiu ya ka jing syakri patba ha ka than. Ya kane ka police outpost la seng ha ka Jaka ka bahe sao pon henriu ekar ka balano senyang da ka dor bash nong Barato bat ka kong profitable dekhar na ka benta banbu ya ka police outpost ka office Treikam ka Pura. Usembut Menteri Rangba ka Jila uba Preston Tensong ulabu ru yo mau nongrim ya ki kat tu kat ni ki project penhe surak balabai tingka da ka sorkar Meghalaya Hakaba kapisa bala minjur baro kalong arhusau pon hinyo khandai klur tingka kentup ya ka jingpen bha bat penhe syaka intermediate lane ringkat bat ka BM bat ka SDBC jong ka surok nartiang yongluit Barato ha ka jinglut ka ba khanriu pon khandai lai klur tingka ka metaling bat ka black topping ya ka surok shnong hapo ka shiliang mentang da kapisa balamang kabalong shi pon hinyo praklur tingka.
Berpar baru ikinong attend igri program bagin sauha bani yang kat by chief guest yung hindang shim niya kasalute. Dan sebagian ai na po Sabah kinong song jong ka Sabah ti sobha ban wan chakmat ban pengkrek nang baga. So this outpost has been successfully constructed through PIRF, that is Police Infrastructure Innovation Fund, within a remarkably short span of just 6 months, reflecting the effective utilization of the funds sanctioned and the commitment towards the strengthening of the police infrastructure in the region. We remain sincerely grateful for the continuous support and encouragement extended by the government, sir. With further financial assistance, sir, and sanction of additional funds in the future, we are hopeful that many more police infrastructure across the district can be upgraded and modernized for better public service delivery and improved policing and enhance safety and security for the people. And another milestone, that is inauguration for the improvement and widening into intermediate lane with BM and SDMC of Nartiang Yonglibit Barato Road with a sanctioned amount of 16 crore 93 lakh and 40,000. That is number one. Number two, that is improvement including metallic and black topping of Shiliang Mentang internal village road, length of 1.6 kilometer. Sanctioned amount is 37 lakh 19,000. And number three, we have the improvement including metallic and black topping of Maiting internal village road. Length is 3 km under RIDF with a sanction amount of 30 crores. Next, number 4, we have the rehabilitation and resurfacing from 13 NGB Road to Thatbamon with a length of 3.1 kilometer with a sanctioned amount of 1 crore 78 lakhs.
That a Barato outpost would be sanctioned by the government. Because when you look at the criteria for sanctioning any police outpost or a beat house or a police station, we look at the crime in the area. Not only is it the population, but also or the nearest, whatever is convenient to the nearest existing police station. Those are the factors that we look at when we propose for a new police outpost or police station. So, like I said, it is with mixed feelings that I stand here, because crime obviously must have also increased for Barato outpost for us to have been able to justify the setting up of an outpost here. But be that as it may, I am absolutely sure that the Barato outpost, having been sanctioned 4 years ago, or a little less than 4 years ago in November 2022, will serve the purpose of the people here in this area. Barato has grown significantly. Dr. Henry Loman was one of the public representatives when I was here as SP in Janji Hills. At that point of time, we never really thought, sir, that this would be an occasion when we would meet again. It was with mixed feelings that I see that not only has the population grown, but the fact of the matter is I'm standing here and the audience that I'm addressing is much, much younger than me. A number of the officers, whether from the other departments or even from my own police department, are people who would have not been even thought about at that time when I was here. But be that as it may, time doesn't wait for anybody. And as the saying goes, to each purpose, there is a time. It is thus with a great sense of purpose that we stand here before you as the police department, as a police department who has been able to set up bring up this police outpost in a short time of 6 months. The credit goes not only to the district police, but also to the Deputy Commissioner's office, because under the PIRF, it is a working together of both the administration as well as the police department. I am sure that with the setting up of a permanent station here, the police officers and the men posted here will be able to better serve. Yes, we have a number of challenges. Yes, we have problems with the neighboring villages, especially those which are much nearer to the border of Assam. But those are the challenges we are here to meet. We are here to serve, and we are here to do the very best of towards our ability to ensure that we maintain peace, we maintain law and order, and we address the growing crime in this area. To all the young children that have been here today, it was with, after the very lively performance by the students of St. Peter's School, it is very, very heartening to see that there is such a mix and there is such a, what should I say, a medley of cultures coming together here this morning. It is not without significance that we have representations of cultural programs of all the 3 major tribes of the state. This is something that we should try to ensure, and we should try to ensure that we keep. I take this opportunity to once again wish the people of Barato and my policemen here in Barato Outpost the very, very best, and I'm sure that we will go from strength to strength to ensure that Barato remains a shining light in this area of the state. Thank you, Michaela.
Project Kabingiwan Banbu Mount Nongrim Rengkat Packaging Play Ya Kani Kapulis Outpost Jong Priamni Kenaka Takadao Mamutkan Ong Kilong Kami Kilong Pa Kinong Yalam Snong Parok Bat Kumju Ihef Kibarit Kenmau Kang Kawai Bangi Nakalian Gasorta Nikwa Banwanra Bantuy Karoy Kapar Hakaleng Saudong Jong Kajelabai Jongi Nakatadaw Maong Yapi Ni Nagasorka Limtia Nimdem Ni Persangkat Balak Ban Perkat Yagabaha Kamiat Jong Kasnong Jong Ka District Laniki Constituency Kaper Hapo Kajela Kabai Kajong Ni Kata kadai kejing angnut kajong ni bat kubju nakaliang ka home police ka kamram jumi kalong ban yale kan pala ban pendujai ya ki criminal activities ka kamram jongi bat kajing angut jongi hapo kajelam jongi DGP dan tengah isnei bagi polis jongi kim yo thia yo dem su namal baki jat ki crimes ki babi akan dicuk ke bamenta don ki crimes ko mga omapi ki ba pampor hadu sistem duna bangin yo ban ken bangin yo ban buk ya tu dakum kita diberi halo jong kata ngani tu ipi ten ki polis jongi ki bapli kisah tim kisah keren live project live hosted bonsin habidon ya review meeting nakaliang jong sorkar ni ay mensim ya ki police force parok bakim day bandu mensim bagasoban ong ya pi kathan barito parok kawelo ay mensim lem ya ki police force ki jongi baking nanga sisaban syakri ban ay kababahatam ya kanika tan bakadong jong pi barok kawelo namala daging kemru ki keno balay kem teng nangi kemru ki keno balay ki kem ikum kita ki de ki chat jing perkhat ki bahangi rei ki bapli ki polis ko mo ya ki hak ban kit lut ya kata ki jingsha keno ki balai pujat lai posti nakwa ban ong ya ki katu ke jingjia nakai ka bajia hasora kadeka history nakbenta jong ki police force jong ni hapo kari India borokoi ki balala ban yo ban ken ya ki tiruna katu ke jingjia ka ba ngatrai hapo India katum ke jingtip jonga ki kwa roban tenmi film ban sna film hidon gi aktor hidon gi industry simat ki bala prisang ban sna film ya tu jingjia hangtei hapo sora dengan ye tu ye pi abang alik sadali laning alik kelen saudong jogori India ngatang suong bangaday na megala isalu baki ong sngew bahak pa kakubor jong kajing appreciate lani jong kajing nyokor jumi ya kador kabaki polis megala kilale but ki ong minutes ken banumday na ki polis megala kan bampor ban yo ban ken ya ki runal ki bale ya ki tukam ki ba serkei hadu kata kalong ka burong ka bakraw na kabentak ki polis ki jom ke kabang kumut ban ong atmat joki ki fight ba nong sosnong tongin ye Treikam bat ka team joki police force ki jomi banginanga susu ban rat den kong ya ki jings neo baro ki badon haka imlang gasalang bat kamtam ki ba prisang banwan na bar jong kajela mikla jong ke hakabedei bat kajing penpau jong ramba sinong jong Barato na kabenta ka border outpost hantai mugro nilai prisang nila perkhat na kabenta begin snai ya kabakum gani ka office ka babit ka babiang ka Jaka nidang ya penbait ya ka Jaka nidang don jing kendiat hakoi dei ba ka Jaka ka puta bangan next oh do ani ko lari ngayo ya ka Jaka nang ya tu ipi ngin sale ya kabadon kam namal kum mga ong ipi ngiru isanud na ka sorkar nikwa ba habang ibu ya ki police outpost habang ibu ya ki police station bat kum ta ter ban penbit pendiam ya ka Jaka syong joki bakila ban perform baha lani ban tray baha nang ka benta ka jingsngan jongpi jonga ki pai ba nong syong snong jong gejela Meghalaya Barokoi kum ta ka banga perpat sa sisin pat ya ki borsnong barok tongin ye tray rengkat bat kini ki polis ki jongi nang ba kumongo ong ye pi ngin penti kena kumongo ong mas ngau ba ka Barato mentak kala kamsungan ndai kum haki por manswa ka crime rate ka dei ki jisya kakeu haduk kata-kata. Jika bangga kerpat ia fikir nong sok nong bai snobha banun siating ngai ban yarlong perlok but kini ki police officers jongi ki police personnel ki jongi na komenta kapit kapian na komenta ke jimha jong ka syong suk syong sain akeleng saudom.
Kumpai yang udah ditut kelai kawan berlebihan daman berlaku sukses meeting. Bayulti jiwan sekali ke polis Outpost ni oman tu cuy gurap skit kulai tiak tinsar hagawan gon report. Kewing akan mau kelemia kemai kubelai big pay bak yang ni katanya. Suawar jar pra suaman emeleo. Kini kata the consider one of the most crime area in Jaipur district. Bro gini, handai katu la cipa kuatsan kan rudli senen. Sao sorongo kana, yang sao sorong bania turu ye ciga sejongi kedai kawen kita kah balak kamsong senang dekat kumpulung kita. Dah kecil kita hilang. Naduk kirang ba senong, naduk kita loy, naduk ki from different section of society, KMLA, KMC, kat kumpulung mertasar. At least we are living a peaceful life in this area. Mencuah kan muda pori election ada ia berubah. Kami jual berusaha kamu kata lah. Prakan dewa je med muda ulai lana artian sini wata wem nom ter seluti. Kami kata lah MD. Sao sarung ni kamu nak yalam yang kita. Please give it up. Happen dunai ke crime, happen dunai ke one unfairness towards the society. Yo man iku imcian, yo man ki konditi, go dap, go biang ke start, go biang ke tipu yo wata ke dulu man. Pai kita tahu ke state yo wata pun ke dulu man wan ni ba, ulam safe, go jur ke crimes. Mencuah cakar uhil raman kerja, ada hadum ni ke si man go almost uniformly the money, the entire state the man law and order is totally under control. Ai kublai ke DCP madam guyongi kum tiak kum chong the man ke kentai la. Na umma hendri ngantu hai poro mana meleo ke madam nong rang man SP tang chulur bago dia ke Thailand dong. And we need those type of officer whether men or women. Handai wala kata kam ke sarkar ki berta mi ule kam ko big pay ba we are apologize. Handai we are trying our best up to the mark what the maximum possible capacity nang wa yo ki community uchong san. Tapi kita lagi memerdam gusuk mit nageleng itu di society naga skor naga cnong lagi itu di skor. Bayar tahu pagi tahu ya bodin lang wangau emlewam di sini yo percang yo pai iwan waji iwan iwala. Sao tu yo kadang yo dakwa. Ila man ngam te tahu yo bi KMDC KMLA go krek. Mayo berigum krek aja datang pan bijan. Tekan ngam te yo kino yang yung ulai beri mixer ikon kwa bambang bagi. The unity yo percang upai yang education infrastructure yo percang upai yang garut urjo man ni pon berdet yo percang upai skillin di section nak nang wa yo percang upai ng sarkar iwan ni moye yo pai yo di examine langi ko local MLA ko local DC yopi iwan ni wa cha wa kamatam yo percangi upai sekian em gitu suruh katukan ni go so mik so chief guest jongi ramman gi go kam hi haren per in depth chukini kure yan kini udah monori little milian uchim gas daw planu daw percaya bi utau lai lemba gol mudah udah semit nagaliang yo nga ko ada plan slam ne ba slam mi pop the kublai cibun se de gedor bar so bertu ko da arrange di program rekat wa ke police department ke MLA ke MDC ke headman wara apa meni kata ke constituency ago ya kijing angno yang dipai ba da urlam ago da yi why ya kani ke police outpost Pura ini post nong Barato pengen mo wi ngajing lain ki na do islam araja khapra chaneng ago na ke por ginong yalam na ke thau apo ke yalam yo ginong yalam snong go pher bakam jore yung ma ai bor uman ka MDC ngurjo wan mi na ke por yo pensiaw inga ong igi jingam ka mo mi ka wi ke police outpost agak agak tahu yang ini. Ni malah dapat kita record. Semi wa kami man go tahu. Kamu orang pereng man very sensitive. Roman crime prone area. Dan ini daw, hawa api jing persiaw yang menigo he. Ngala ho fight ki jing am kam. Yang ni kathaw he ni. Dari jing him ki da perchang yu ban ki government. Ako sanction no ya ko wi ka police outpost he ni poch nong Barato. Persiaw kuman wong. Adin ka jing klam, adin ka jing HM yo chief minister, adin ka jing klam home minister. Perkam jo le hadin udah perchang ura yang isu aku assembly kesorkan le hadin udah dep examine the chamgo woman go kathaw woman very genuine aku set up ya ka wi ka police outpost ini ha poch nong Barato but siya aku menwong katulal al la lesnem tam kajing lain uti yang kali ka police outpost siya aku menwong wa lengba kajing yang kali police outpost ka chongsuk chongsai hari ni time siapa mau katka man kat ni they improve dan dia dah bahag ketika imlang salang lada compare ia kipor bar gisnem udah lain sedin bakam jo le kawi gawa penmentoy ya kejing yo yang ini polis outpost kan mau bai hipor menchua ikna ku itu exam matrik nahi di time nado na chilia mentang bertong pro warok ko wini ka than sini hei por umpu am ni police outpost ikna habduk kile ya ki exam matrik chado chajuai changpung chamo wonde mot kamte terten andai hadino de yu go ya ka di police outpost siap manuang wa ya ka exam center nagunta ki kena SSLC da yu to hei ni ha poch nong Barato Kerana ni wag ni jing am, yong gani ke polis outpost, wagi pai ba nong chong chnong. Uye Treikam, ye jing mot lang, nang wa uye wanra bar uye penha cho ya ke chong suk chong sain apo gani ke thau yong i. Dang buon mai penta, iwala da pai ke kauman gani record, ten nang yo soromi, wong mi kitigi ki record tu si yong bi chnong i thau yong pi yong a. Dia ulah ni gini, nak kapor, emma jadi kubur go yoi, wa em gitu ibru go le kamsi, kiwami ni gitu kicnong, maka numan gale ko siaw sorom, nada kam ngani record umi hagi kot kubur, ni tidak kermen ni, kajing em yung ni ke polis outpost, rengkat po jadi Treikam lang yung pi ipai ba nong chongsong, kermen ni wanra i ya ke chongsuk chongsai. Bat upunku ya kim lang sa lang yung i agrigathan. Bat siya kumen luwang ni kapo kanay pikam di perlok kumaya. Negas ni dayo ine uway ya kini monong rin. Ya kini surok kiwa dayo i agrigathan chile mentang. Kaniga ilaka chile mentang urok gawi. Sajisin ngas nga wanay kublay sa pitem song. Ibala ay sanction ini yakte ke surok NGB kabala sateng la kumno la kumba arpo absan sneb kabompat yo repair kabompat yo sanction kumai andri ka sngokmen man yeng ni kapor langba gajing bahas bun jong bisa lerap yingi man penyo sanction bar kabadero satang gatay ke surok main road kabadang sateng hapo kanigatan Barato. Misal kumen manaw hani kapor nga liyo sanction, ban Muslim su, bangin sedang no bantre, ya kakam ban pendeploy, ya kaniga sulok. Untuk dukat kini isulok po liyo sanction ni, iboy ong bi ipay baon ya kita isulok po liyo sanction. Andai kini to sanction ko yo hagarigat chay ni rami. I-sanction ko yo Sekita kita yung i umpuem upniyogi hagi nigi mo nong rin.